Let us consider another question of probability. There are 6 white balls, 7 red balls and 2 black balls in a bag. So, this is a bag, it is filled with 6 white, 7 red and 2 black balls. Now, if the question is what is the probability of getting a black ball, that means we can say the probability will be equal to number of favorable outcomes. Black, there are 2 divided by the total. Total means 6 plus 7 is 13, 13 and 2 is 15. So, probability of getting a black ball will be 2 by 15. What is the probability of getting a red ball? Red will be similarly 7 upon 15, because what is favorable here is 7 red. So, 7 red balls are there. So, we are writing 7 upon the total, that is 15, and similarly probability of getting a white ball will be 6 upon 15. So, we have 2 by 15, 7 by 15 and 6 by 15. In all the cases we are observing the formula number of favorable outcomes by total outcomes, and if you add the total of these probabilities that we have got, you will find that they will add up to 1. So, here 2 by 15 plus 7 by 15 plus 6 by 15, 2 plus 7 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, we get the answer as 15 upon 15, which is equal to 1. So, the total probability for all the events taken together will always be 1 for any given event. We can consider tossing of a dice. When we throw a dice, the possibilities are we will get either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. These are the only possibilities that we will get when we throw a die. Now, if the question is what is the probability of getting the number 8? So, we know that number 8 can never come on a die. So, we can say it is an impossible event. So, impossible event we will say the probability is 0. What is the probability that you are going to get a number which is less than 7? Now, number less than 7 means all the numbers that we are going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all these numbers are less than 7. So, it is a sure event. So, we can say that probability is 1, and how did we get that 1? Because all the events 6 is divided by 6, because all the 6 are favoring us and the total outcome is also 6. So, we get 6 by 6, that is 1. We can be asked what is the probability of getting a prime number when we throw a die. Now, this is a tricky question because some people confuse 1 as a prime number. Now, 1 to be noted is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So, we will not include 1 as prime. So, the prime numbers here are 2, 3 and 5. So, prime numbers are numbers which are divisible only by itself and 1. So, there are 3 numbers in this case satisfying us, that is the favorable outcome is 3 and the total outcomes is 6. So, we get probability of prime number as 1 by 2. Another question can be asked, what is the probability of getting a number greater than 5? Here number greater than 5, there is only one number greater than 5. What is that number? That is 6. So, we have the answer as 1 upon 6. So, based on your events or what are the outcomes, you can be asked so many questions and you will have to use the formula number of favorable outcomes by total outcomes in all these cases to find out the value of the probability. And as discussed earlier, the range of probability is between 0 and 1. So, all our answers will either be 0 or 1, or it will lie between 0 and 1, as we have observed in all these answers.